X
minus
minus 3
bracket square
minus 6.
minus
6.
very good. Actually you can double check whether you get back the original. So how? Just open this. Hey, you don't get back the original. Is it minus 3 or plus 3? So you make a mistake already. That's a plus 9, right? Or did I make a mistake? Oh, this one is minus 3. Right? So therefore it's 9 plus C minus 3. So you bring it over, minus 3 minus 12. So you make a mistake. So it should be minus 12. Okay? Can?
Yeah.
So I can test. So this one is minus 12, right? So plus 9 minus 12 minus 3. Yep, I get back the original. So that means this is correct. Okay? So I assume you have done the computing square correctly now. I assume this is correct. So why this is important? Okay? The point is, first thing first. This one, you remember just now how we identify whether this is a happy or a frown or happy face, right?
Yeah.
Which one tells us? So this question is frown or happy? Which one?
Happy.
Why?
Because the X is positive.
Not
It's
X.
245.
A. So therefore, you say since A equal to 1, right?
Yeah.
Which is positive. Therefore, happy face. Right?
Yeah.
Good. So with the happy face, what's the next thing? You need to find the A and B and the C, right?
Yeah.
So this is my point A, this is my point B, this is my point C, right?
Yeah.
Let's not talk about how to find A and B first, because we talked about that just now. How do you find C? Using computing square. So C in this case is your lowest point, right?
Yeah.
Why lowest point? Because it cannot go lower. This is the lowest already. Cannot go lower already, right?
Yeah.
So the lowest point is at. What's the lowest point when you have something square? What's the lowest value when you have something square? Something square, can it be positive or not? Can it be negative or not?
No.
No. When you have something square, it cannot be negative. So the lowest point for this is actually equals to 0. So how do you get this equal to 0? When x is equal to 3, because 3 minus 3 is 0, 0 square, 0, right?
Yeah.
So when x is equal to 3, you put it in, now this whole thing is equal to minus 12, right?
Yeah.
Therefore, your lowest point C actually is equal to 3 and negative 12. Then you don't have to go through the mirror part. Just do this. You get the lowest point. Understand? Let's do one more. Give me the next one. Hold on, let me erase this one. It's all about practicing, okay? So you need to go back, practice. Okay? Keep practicing. Okay, give me the question first. X square.
Minus 8
Ah,
plus 3.
8x plus 3, right?
Yeah.
So the complete square format is x minus 4.
Minus 5.
You have 16. No, actually it's minus 13. Where is it? This one, right?
Yeah.
Where's your solution? Here, right? So you have this is plus 16. You can use calculator times, right? So it's plus 16. So 16 plus c is equal to 3. So 3 minus 16 is minus 13. Okay, so it's minus 13. Okay? So you need a lot of practice, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So this is the computing square, right?
Yeah.
So first thing first, a equals to 1. A is positive. So therefore, it's a happy face. Happy face, you have your point A, you have your point B, and you have point C, right?
Yeah.
Point C is the lowest in this case, right? Right?
Yeah.
So you just look at this. What's the lowest? This x has to be 4, right? Because only when you have 4, this will be 0, right? So when x equal to 4, you sub in, you will get 0 square 0, 0 minus 13, so it's minus 13. So therefore the lowest point here is actually 4 and minus 13. That's your point C. Simple? So that's how you get the lowest point through computing square. Simple? Last one. Give me the last question.
X squared plus 2x
X squared plus 2x
plus 2.
plus 2. So your complete square format is plus I asked you to make a note there, like that's where you look.
One.
Plus 1, very good. Yeah, correct. Finally correct. Okay, so now since a is equal to 1, right? A is positive, right?
Yeah.
So it is a happy face.
Yeah.
So happy face, you have a A, you have a B, then you have a C, right?
Yes.
And C is your lowest, right?
Yes.
Then you ask yourself, what's the lowest point here? How do you get 0 here? X is equal to if you put 1, it will be 2. So how do you get 0 here?
Minus.
Minus 1. Once you put a minus 1 into it, sub in. You can test. You get 0, right?
Yeah.
0 plus 1 is 1. Okay? So therefore your lowest point is negative 1 and 1. Simple?
Yeah.
So that's how you get the lowest point. Can? That is the function of, or the practical use of computing square. Simple?
Yeah.
Yep.